What is up, my Forex for Beginners family? So I just wanted to take the time out to thank Side and his wonderful Forex for Beginners Academy. Every video was so informative, even to the point of just learning how to use TradingView. That was something that I always wanted to do within itself as being a trader. And being that I have been scammed with Bitcoin scams and stuff like that, to him say, once you finish with this, you won't need nobody but you and the charts. Him teaching about market structure, support and resistance, finding the trend, and just Fibonacci, everything that he teach on. I mean, this is like a rare jewel that needs to be found. I have tagged so many people that I know trade or want to trade in it, and I'm like on them like, why haven't you gotten started? This is so valuable. This information that he offers is so valuable, and is no price that you can put on it. And just to know that he have a heart for people and he's just doing this out of his heart, just God bless him. And I am so grateful, and I feel so blessed to even run into this training and run into Side and be connected to this Forex for Beginners family. So this is how I feel at this point. I'm just grateful. And I'm just so appreciative for Side, the time he's taken to make these videos and make sure that we're no longer scammed and we don't feel like we need anybody to trade. All we need is this good education and getting these charts. So thank you. This is my story. My name is Rosalind, and I love you all. Thank you so much, Side. You are a blessing in my life. Continue doing what you do.